Okay, so back with the Civic, there has developed a knock in the rear passenger corner. What is it? Don't know, but it happened pretty quick after the suspension went in, so hopefully something in the coilover hasn't died. Maybe I left something loose, I don't know, but if we have a look in here, you can hear it in there, so maybe something's failed in the coilover. Pull the tyre off and we'll have a look. So there's a good reason why things flog out. So the bush is shot. So we might have something laying around, we may not. I don't think I do. So we're going to have to order something. But for now, we'll just have to unfortunately run with the noise. But we might be able to... We'll have a look, see what we can come up with. We might be able to even machine up something for now to get us by. We'll see what we've got laying around the shed. Okay, so we don't have a replacement bush to go on the back of this rear lower control arm for the Civic, but what we do have is these bushes out of the older rear arms that we have. Now these work out to be exactly the same width, but this inner sleeve diameter is 31mm, we need 30, so we're going to press one of these out, machine it down the suit, and then slot it back in. Now the only thing that we also need to do is cut the edges, the ends of the old bush here. So we're going to cut out this outside edge here to space it out because we don't want it slopping inside there. It's not going to be a perfect fit, it's just going to slot right in as best we can because we don't want to rip the whole arm to try to press it out or smash it with a hammer. So we're going to cut these off so it'll stop it from slopping around, but at least it'll stop it from banging, so it'll rectify the issue. And if this works, I'm going to check the other side as well and check the eyes on it because if this is flogged out, but we will have a look to see if I can actually get these. This sleeve that we got's a better option, actually a solid bush, whereas this is only partials in and out. So see how it goes, but we're going to do that. Shindeiru. Nani? So there we go, it's fitted back in and there's no more movement where there shouldn't be. So it has done damage to that lower control arm, but nothing too critical. But random stuff laying around does pay off sometimes. So but now it's fixed, so we'll drive it again tomorrow on the way to work and then see if there's a clunk there, but I don't think there is because no more than the standard noises that probably should be in there. But anyway, that's good, it's done. Okay, so we've been driving the car around for a couple of days now, just testing that rear suspension out where we changed that bush, and there's still a bit of a noise in there, but a little bit of play of the bush inside that arm, so we're still working on our machining practices, getting a bit better. The lathe needs a little bit of TLC too, but that's a bit of a video I think we'll do later on because it needs some maintenance and a bit of repair. I mean, it's from the 50s, so it's probably had a lot of use. So the car's up and running again, which is good. We've also got the new tyres on here as well, so that was part of that as well. We've played around with a few other bits and pieces in the car, so we'll chuck that out in another video, but at least this is set and done, and at least with everything we have here on the fly, we can fix problems like this. Didn't have to wait to try to get bushes, so that was good. But what I will probably do is go through all of that, press them all out, machine another one for the other side, just in case, have them ready to go. I mean, they're sitting, the arms are no good without them. One was damaged, so we'll just go with that. But this arm did get damaged where that bush was pounding on it, where that pin was hitting in, so we're going to keep an eye on that. If we have to, we might just have to buy another arm. Hopefully not. If anything, it might be able to be repaired too. At this stage, it's all good to go.